Do you need an incremental encoder that installs on a motor or another shaft? In this video, we'll show you our E-series of kit encoders to help point you in the right direction. We make a wide range of kit encoders that work on everything from a NEMA 34 down to a NEMA 8 motor frame. Let's start with our standard encoders. Our E2 and E5 series support 14 shaft sizes ranging from 2 to 10 mm. They come in resolutions ranging from 32 to 5000 CPR. These are often assembled on NEMA 17 or 23 motors. Our E3 and E6 series are a little bit larger and support 22 shaft sizes ranging from 2 mm to 1 inch, and come in resolutions ranging from 64 to 10,000 CPR. These are often installed on NEMA 23 or 34 motors. All of these encoders are available with index. When it comes to features, the E5 and E6 have a few tricks up their sleeves compared to the E2 and E3. Both the E5 and E6 support multiple output options internally, including differential, Avago-compatible pinout, and high voltage outputs. They also have latching connectors, which provide a secure, vibration-resistant connection. The E2 and E3 can support different output options with an external line driver, and they have standard connectors. If you're looking for something a little smaller, we have a line of miniature kit encoders for you to consider as well. Our E4T encoder supports 11 shaft sizes ranging from 2 mm to 1/4 inch, and comes in resolutions ranging between 100 to 1000 CPR. Our E8T is slightly larger than the E4T. It supports 10 shaft sizes ranging from 3 mm to 3/8 inch, and it comes in resolutions from 180 to 720 CPR. These are great choices for NEMA 11, 14, and 17 motors, and the E4T can also fit onto the NEMA 8. Both the E4T and E8T have differential output options but do not have an index option. If you're looking for a miniature encoder with an index, we suggest you consider our E16. The E16 is the smallest incremental encoder. It supports 1.5 and 2 mm shafts and comes in resolutions ranging between 250 to 4096 CPR. We also have our M3K mini magnetic encoder. This encoder is unique in that you can select incremental or PWM with incremental output. It supports 7 shaft sizes ranging from 3 mm to 1/4 inch. Incremental resolutions range from 1 to 8192 CPR, while PWM output is set at 12 bits. Last but not least is our EC35 commutation encoder. The EC35 comes in 5 shaft sizes ranging from 5 mm to 3/8 inch, and is available in resolutions ranging from 500 to 60,000 CPR. It is available with open collector or differential output. If you're looking for more information on any of these encoders, please visit our website. We share specs, drawings, and pricing information right there without needing to contact sales for a quote. That being said, if you do want to talk to someone, we're more than happy to help via email, chat, or phone. And if you didn't know, we make all of our products in-house and ship most orders the same day. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other encoder videos, tips, and tutorials on our channel.